Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the continuation of the part 1, using chain stitches method to bead. So you can ask me any question on what you need to know about how to pick up the bead. In my next videos, I'll be showing how I work the beading from beneath the fabric I'm working on. In this video, I'm using a tulle fabric to bead. This is a tulle, and I make sure I got the one that has smaller holes. So the next video, I'll try and make sure I zoom in more for you to see this part. Any question, I'll be here for you to answer you. Thank you as you watch. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do try and like, drop your questions. I'm always available for your questions, and if you need to chat me up on WhatsApp, I'm always available for that. I've been doing this for over 10 years, and I'm ready to share my skills more gladly, to give info, anything you need to know regarding tambour beading. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria, so any question you have for me, I'm right here for you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.